We'll guide you through how to import CSV files into Trello. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Trello website. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, head over to the Trello board where you want to import the CSV data. Now, here's the trick. Trello doesn't natively support CSV import, but you can use a third-party tool called Trello Importer for this task. It's a Chrome extension that makes the process straightforward. Search for Trello Importer in the Chrome Web Store and add the extension to your browser. After installing, you'll see a new option on your Trello board labeled Import CSV. Click on it. A window will pop up, allowing you to select the CSV file from your computer. Choose the file you wish to import. The tool will ask you to map the CSV columns to Trello fields like card title, description, and due date. Make sure you align these correctly to ensure the data is imported accurately. Once everything is mapped out, click on the Import button. The tool will quickly process your file and import the data into your Trello board as new cards. Each row from your CSV file will now appear as a card, complete with the details you've mapped. This method is a great way to bring structured data into Trello efficiently. If you frequently work with CSV files, this tool can save you a lot of time. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.